I just want to share kung bakit ako napunta rito sa One Opti Lifestyle International. That's because of my hemorrhoids. That's after I gave birth to my third baby. And someone gave me this product, the flagship of One Opti, which is the powder juice. Ito. And this is a powdered form pa siya, guys. So, i-mix muna natin siya ng water. And nag-drink ako nito, takip-takip lang siya, guys. So, dalawang takip in the morning and dalawang takip in the evening or before sleeping. And it helped me a lot, guys. Mga 8 to 10 bottles lang yata yung na-drink ko, and lumiit yung size niya. So, after that, nagpa-member ako, and to be able to share my experience and testimony sa other people, we have this mega center Talisay, Cebu. So ano namin itong mega center, guys, to cater those na in need naman sa south center or south area of Cebu. So yun yung aking experience dito.